Hello, this is Andrew with the Meigs County District Public Library and Guiding Ohio Online. Today we are talking about some tech tips and things you can do with your smart device. Today I have with me an iPad. You can also follow along on your Android or Apple smart device. We are going to be talking about the Libby app and being able to read some books on your device today. So with that, let's get right to it. The first thing you'll want to do before we start anything is check to make sure your device is on Wi-Fi. This tablet is already on Wi-Fi, so we're good there. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Next, you will look for the App Store. On an Android device, you will look for the Play Store. Once you find that button, you're going to tap it, open up. On here, the search is at the bottom. On your Android or Apple phone, the search may be at the top. Once you locate the search bar, type in Libby. This icon should appear, followed by the word download. Libby by Overdrive. Tap it to download. There is no cost for Libby. It should appear under your apps or on your home screen. Once you locate the Libby app, you will need to tap it. Once the Libby app is opened, you will be given some on-screen prompts to follow along with. Read through these carefully and deliver the best answers. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact your local library. The first question is, do you have a library card? This can easily be gotten by calling the library if you do not know this. The next question it will ask you is to find your local library. The best option is to search for a library. The other options don't always return the best results. Type in the library's name, Meigs County District Public Library. You should see a result for it as soon as you type Meigs. It will be listed under the Ohio Digital Library. This is a group of libraries in Ohio that share digital media betwixt each other. This will be the library selection on Libby that you will be looking for. Tap it to make the selection. Next, you will need to enter your library card number. Click on Meigs County District Public Library. Once you click on that, you'll need to enter your card number and a PIN. If you have any questions about what your card number or PIN are, feel free to contact the library. Once you enter your library card number and your PIN, you will be greeted with this screen showing your library card for Libby. This is under the Ohio Digital Library. You can rename the card to anything that you desire, or you can click Next to go to the main page. Congratulations, you are now a part of the Ohio Digital Library.